Hello everyone, Sam is here from creativetradingsystems.com. I'm making this video about gold. So let's get started. I'm going to take you back to where we started the wave 5 of this monthly chart on October 15th, right? So this is 1, 2, 3. Well, it is up there, and then this is wave 4, and we go for wave 5 to the upside. So I'm going to fast forward a little bit. Quickly, see, this is what happened, 3, 4, 5. And after that, this is a chart made on the December 24th. Then at the same time, I was making weekly chart as well. So on October 15th, weekly was here, wave 4. We're supposed to go for wave 5. And this is where the wave 5 started here. And we stop at 1802. Wave 5 is still way up there, right? So on January, we ended up here, we bounced above 1802, and then we went to 1920, right? So from there, I said we're going to drop back to 18 and then go to the upside, right? Price always do that. It breaks the resistance, comes back, and, RBS resistance becomes support. Yeah, SBR sometimes, so, in a down move, SBR means support become resistance, all of that. So once you break the resistance, it goes up and then it comes back and tests that as a support, right? That resistance. So after that, look what happened. It start to go to the upside. So I said, okay, we're gonna go to the upside, but first we have to deal with this band. So what happened? We hit, we drop, right? So we hit, we drop. So I said, okay, we're gonna go back all the way to 1877 and then bounce. So what happened? This one happened. So it started to come down 1920, right? And 1877 is still right here, very close, 1877, but never touched it, right? So it went up a little bit. And then you see, this is must stay above 1920. I said if it is gonna stay above 1920, it's gonna go to the upside. If not, then what happened? What will happen is that it will probably hit 1959 and then drop again, like this, right? So here I said if we hold below 1959, we're gonna drop back to 1802 again. So 1802 was in question, yes. So it came down all the way to 1802, and then I made this chart on October 7th. That is gonna go back to 1959, and obviously the wave 5 is all the way to the upside, right? So first thing first, 1959 was the target to the upside, and we got that, right? Very nice and clean, easy. And then I said, if we break above 1959, we will go back to 2074, 2070, 2080, right? Stuff like that. But in between, we have a couple of numbers like 1998 and 2009. So what happened here after this? Doing this, you can see that it was going to the upside. I said we're going to go to the upside. So after 17th October, look at this on 18th, beautiful long entry. I mean, I had several trades before, but I'm showing this in the last month of October with future trades, right? So October 18 here, long, based on my chart. Then again, October 19, long, based on my chart. Then again, October 19th, long, based on my weekly chart. Everything is long, right? So we see, remember this 1959 number? So we were hitting, and then finally we broke above it, and then we went up to the higher numbers, right? Now, then I made this chart on October 20th that this is where we are going, and we're bouncing above 1920. We are very close to 1987, and the next target would be 1998. So that would be easily reached here. You see this 1998? We touched that on October 20, same thing, right? So after that, it's supposed to be dropping and then going back up again towards this band here, right? And 2009 was the number, watch. Just above 1998, right? So what happened to this chart? This one made on October 21st. We went up there. We went up to 1997 and then kind of like pulling back down again slowly, right? Like a small retracement kind of thing, right? So the numbers were in question was 1987 for a retracement, or maybe 1959, and then break it and then go to 2009 or 2080. So what happened to this chart? This is the trade on the 25th October, going long from 1971 to 1987. Just before that, I closed 1986.33. And then it dropped, and then again it went up. And this is another second trade on the 25th from 1980 back to the same place, 1986.52, just below 1987. And I was expecting that it's going to break, but there was like a couple of red news around the corner, so I closed my trades. Then what happened? 26 gone by, and then 27 today. Not today, I mean, it started 28, but Friday. Look what happened. This is the one. This chart, I had it made differently because I had everything there. And my entry is right there around this blue circle, the arrow, and then this line here shows that this is where the trade closed. So now, the target was, again, 2009, but before that, there was like a harmonic pattern. It's like X, A, B, C, and the calculation for 1.618 is like 2005, and there was like R2 right around the corner, right? So I had my target TP set just before that, and I went to sleep, hoping that it's not going to go there in one day or, in a few hours. So I will get up and then manage it myself, right? But when I got up, boom, it was already done, finished, finito, right? So it went up big time and hit my target, and trade was closed before I made the chart. So this is how I'm showing you this one. It is from 1982 to 2003. But you know that it went straight up to touching 2008, probably touched 2009, actually. Let me go take a look at that. 2009, was it touched? Let's see the high of this. Let's see on the weekly chart. The high of this candle, exactly 2009.37. And that is the number was the target. Okay. So this is how it is, and we stopped here on Friday, this Friday, and hopefully I think that we're going to be retracing from there on. Next week we will open up, and then if we don't break above, which I think very less chance for that. I think 90% chance that it's going to retrace back to either in 1987 or maybe all the way to 1959 before going to the upside. All right. So this is how it is. Also 1998, then 1987 or 1959. These will be three numbers to watch to the downside for retracement. And after that, we will see next week what happens. And now the current chart stands as, after this finishing here, weekly chart is like this. This is the chart I recorded at the end of the day. And like I said, 2009 is touched already, and let's see from there what happens next week. All right. So this is how the gold is doing, behaving very good. This wave 1, wave 2, or A, B, and wave C, and that will be at the end of wave 5 to the upside. But we still have a long way to go. Okay. So this is how it is. If you like what you saw, you want to be a part of it, you want to get the system that I have for entry, taking the trades like this one, like this one, beautiful trade, right? Beautiful entry system based on my analysis as well. So, you can go to my website here. This is my website. You can subscribe monthly, 6-month, yearly, or you can sign up for one-on-one coaching, all of that, right? My trading robot. By the way, all of these trades were taken by my automated robot. It takes the trades automatically, plays the SL. Target, you can set up the SL, you can set up whatever the amount of pippage you want for the target and all of that. That's how this is how I got this trade closed while I was sleeping. I opened it, but I placed the target here, and then boom, it hit the target and finished it. Okay, so this is how it is. After this, I'm gonna make another video, maybe in an hour or so, about all the trades taken this week using this robot, right? So that makes life easy. I have an alarm version as well, which comes with the regular subscription. Whoever subscribes for monthly, 6-month, or yearly, or and one-on-one, then you get the alarm system where when the setup is there, the entry setup, it beeps, right? So you have it. But the automated robot is that instead of beeping, it beeps as well, but it opens up the trade as well and plays this stop loss and TP on all of that, and move the SL to break even plus all of that. All right, so this is it for now. Thanks for watching, and have a wonderful, wonderful weekend. Don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel so that you can get my videos faster and as soon as I upload them. All right, so this is what I'm going to upload, and then make another video about that one, and then maybe another video about the indices, where the S&P 500, Nasdaq, this, that, blah, blah, Nikkei, and all of that, US 30, they are going. Okay, so bye for now, and talk to you guys later.